is full of unstoppable forces, and nature doesn't play fair. From cities torn apart by storms to glaciers collapsing into the sea, these disasters bring pure destruction. Brace yourself. What you're about to witness will leave you absolutely speechless.
Holy crap! Danger, danger, danger! Holy crap! Whoa!
Mother Nature really just sent them a gentle reminder to back up.
Oh my God!
Oh là là! Oh, you have big waves there, no? Oh là là! Oh my God! Oh my God!
As the iceberg collapsed into the water, it triggered a massive 3-meter wave, sending kayakers scrambling to turn back and paddle to safety.
Holy sh**!
It's not every day you see a wave made of solid ice.
As we watched the spectacle unfold, to our amazement, there was a beaver riding one of the icebergs. It was just surfing right on the front of the wave, and apparently doing just fine. As it
This is what 1,000 years of ice disappearing in an instant looks like.
Yes!
This is just another moment in the Earth's long, slow process of reshaping itself. An iceberg shatters and flips in Argentino Lake.
Oh my God, look at that piece.
She's coming! The Kraken!
Watch this newborn iceberg tumble. It's over 500 meters long. It broke off from Vatnajökull, Europe's largest glacier, which covers 8% of Iceland. Floating in salt water, about 90% of it stays submerged due to the density difference.
Oh my god. So cool.
West Grove. Now we got a whole big eruption out of the crater. And we got another that opened up on the west side. The whole west side, northwest side is right down.
In 1980, Mount St. Helens erupted, blasting ash and pyroclastic flows, reshaping its summit and darkening skies across states.
Keep going, Jerry.
Getting real windy in just a second.
The power of nature is both breathtaking and terrifying. This bridge barely holds as floodwaters surge below, leaving excavators and cranes stranded in the chaos. Watch this powerful tornado tear through Iowa in March 2023, leaving destruction behind.
Dude, stop! Ghost train, ghost train, ghost train. I'm stopping short.
A bus was swept away by raging floodwaters in Himachal Pradesh, India, after heavy rain. Thankfully, it was empty.
Watching, keep watching. There it is. Whoa, wow! Phenomenal. Big wall. So hold on.
Yeah, hold on is right.
Look at that mini tsunami.
Tidal wave.
Did you see that tsunami?
A tidal wave.
Oh, really?
This house was reduced to rubble in minutes, but thankfully, no one was inside. Floodwaters in India caused this road to collapse. In December 2024, a powerful eruption of Canlaon volcano caused widespread destruction in the Philippines. This massive tornado tears through town, destroying everything as debris fills the sky.
Ready, Dan?
Oh my God, they all falling!
Watch as this relentless force devours everything in its path. This is what happens when wind speeds reach dangerous levels.
Oh my God, Mommy! Oh my God! Get my.
This car plunged through the ice, but the driver and passengers escaped unharmed.
Вот он. Все. Сурф ушел.
In Texas, a man witnessed swirling winds turning into a powerful dust devil. This is a rare chance to see the raw power of a volcano in action.
Watch out for the shock, it's coming.
Here's a 6.9 earthquake shaking a Walmart from the inside. The raging flood wiped out these shops in seconds. Here's a perfect example of how small air currents can turn into powerful forces. That's the kind of close call you never forget.
あー、やばいやばいやばい。あー、やばいやばいやばい。あー、嘘。やばいやばいやばい。あー、嘘。やばい。
This CCTV footage shows a teacher lecturing when a powerful earthquake suddenly strikes, causing chaos. Take a look at the moment everything comes crashing down.
Oh my god. I told you. Oh my god. Oh my god, Nikki, look.
Watch as a river of ice slowly advances toward a house, a stunning display of nature's force.
How is it doing this? Because the water's moving. The lake opened up, see? So the water with the wind is pushing, the water's pushing all this up here.
Witness this stunning sight from Sao Paulo's countryside, where a massive tornado-like formation looms over the skies. A Connecticut home collapses into the rushing floodwaters.